Okay, so today we'll be looking at installing this tablet into the Subaru Forester where the storage compartment goes, which is up here. I've already removed the storage compartment, so then pretty much what you'll need to do is obtain the double DIN sort of mounts, which is these things. And obviously I've already installed this part here, which is literally the 2 screws, so that goes in. And then you'll need the cover from Subaru. In some of the Forester SG9 models came factory with a sat nav in this location, but we're going to fit a tablet in that spot there, which is like this. So what you see there is pretty much like a single DIN plastic. Like this was just a generic single DIN plastic compartment, which I've cut, like I've had to cut to fit to provide a tight enough gap here. And off my 12 volt adapter here, I've had to run a line behind that to get like a constant charging source. So this goes to, there's constant power coming to this. Yeah, so now literally we'll just get the tablet to like slide in here. Yeah, so as you can see, the tablet literally just sits there, and by the time we plug this in, because I'm just using one hand, just bear with me. So we plug that in. All right, so that's now plugged in. Let's see what we got. So the tablet's obviously working. I think you can play with the settings. Let's go settings. Bright display, brightness. So we've got the display brightness there. Oops, let's just bring that up. Yes, obviously you have to adjust it. Back. So there you got it, your tablet's in. You just sort of line it up center. Yes, it's a bit loose, but that's been done on purpose, because once the cubby goes on it, it'll press against it like so, and that should keep it in place. So let's just get onto that. Doesn't show that it's plugged in. Oh, obviously that's there. For the sake of this exercise, let's display sleep after 30 minutes. So obviously there's some adjustments you got to do. So that's in there now. That's plugged in. So obviously as I turn the key on, that should show as charging. You see that little arrow there? That's charging. So the way this works is, because it's there and it's got Bluetooth capability, you pretty much Bluetooth connection from here to the head unit. So the head unit can then play stuff from, say, the USB or the radio. Using the Bluetooth connectivity and tethering off the phone, you can get connection on here. You don't need anything else. Like even if you want to get the display gauges, using your tethering off the phone, you can get the internet to go to that, and then you can download the apps that you want to use. Yeah, and then we just put the Subaru cubby on. Yep. So now that's in, and there's your tablet in the dash. How good's that?